Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is when a traffic stop goes from 0 to 100 in an instant. So let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about here.
5th, 2024, an officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an illegal left turn.
Morning. How you doing? Great. You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, ma'am? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign.
Ooh, hold on. That is not how you start an interaction. See, a lot of times cops be having discretion. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, things have changed a lot with these body cams, but a lot of times cops used to let you go for little BS, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you polite and things go, you know, the right way or whatever. Like, cops be letting you go for little petty stuff, you know what I'm saying? But you talking about, why did I pull you over? And your response is, you're bored? Oh, I'm gonna show you how bored I am. But you know what? As a matter of fact, I am bored. We gonna have, you gonna be my entertainment for the next 20 minutes, okay? This is how this gonna go.
Great. You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, ma'am? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Call 47 Connecticut. Come for arrest.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay,
so you touch
step
me.
out, step out now,
Please.
step out.
No.
Stop resisting, stop resisting.
Hey,
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Get the
Because I didn't do
Get the
nothing.
seatbelt.
It's not on.
It's not on.
They're grabbing me.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because you're
For what?
resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car.
nothing.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I just do this.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong.
Stop resisting. Resisting. Stop. Try resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Over here.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Please.
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm pregnant.
Stop! Stop resisting! Stop! Stop resisting! Stop!
Go.
I will tase your ass. So step the back.
Go.
Stop resisting!
There wasn't shit that said don't enter. Y'all just bored as and I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting!
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop it.
Listen.
Stop resisting!
Get in your face.
Do it.
No.
Stay back. No.
Oh, 40.
I'll tease you too.
Let me down. Let me go. You guys are gonna get it.
Yep. Now call 40. Stop! Stop resisting! Stop!
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting! Stop!
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting!
Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can f***ing walk.
Stop!
Stop kicking him. Let go of my
Stop.
leg. Let go of my f***ing leg. I
Stop.
can walk.
Stop!
Hey, you guys are pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go
Stop.
of my leg. I can f***ing walk.
Stop!
Let go of my leg.
Stop!
Walk.
Wait.
47, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let
checked
go of my arm.
You know, these two more.
Let go of my arm.
Stop!
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on y'all,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with background law enforcement officer. Stop!
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop! You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop! Stop! You cause all these problems for no reason.
You did,
Stop.
bitch.
No.
Calm down. You did.
No.
Don't hurt my stomach. pregnant. Let go of me.
Stop resisting
I
that.
promise you I'll
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving
No,
around.
you let me fucking
Stop.
go.
Stop spitting my.
You
I'm
let
not
me
trying to spit in my
fucking go.
face.
You let me
Trying to spit in my face.
I
No.
don't give a I'll spit on all of you bitches. Let me go.
Traffic stop. You had an attitude. You don't
Cancel
want
the
to fly the
44.
orders.
Just send me another
I
unit.
don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude like that. Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
You heard what he said? You would have had a simple verbal warning. That's what I mean. You know, going illegal left turn or whatever, like that's not that big of a deal. Officers always kind of have discretion, especially if you've been respect. Oh, sorry, officer, I didn't see that. Yada yada yada. He gonna run your license if it's clean. He gonna be like, all right, just drive safe, whatever. Boop, and you sliding up out of there. That has happened to me plenty of times. You know what I'm saying? Or running the stop sign. Or I didn't see the stop sign. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as you being respectful about it. But when you come off hostile, what? Boy, if I was that cop, boy, you just don't know, boy. Ma'am, do you know why I pulled you over? Cause you bored? What? What? Oh, yeah. Okay. You know what? Yes, I am bored. You gonna be my entertainment. We gonna get you together. Don't worry about it. You don't want to act right? We gonna get you to act right. You talking about you pregnant? Then why you acting like this? You acting like an animal. Why? If you was pregnant, you would be more civilized, so that way things don't escalate, right? And it could potentially damage, whatever is going on up inside of you. You know what I'm saying? Taking too many cream pies, baby. Taking too many cream pies. You gotta be easy now.
No, you're going to jail.
Damn!
Stop. Go shake.
I can't let go of me! You hit my stomach!
Get.
I'm telling you multiple times! Damn!
Unlock it and put her in the car.
Y'all hurting my stomach and y'all not listening. How do you get my shoe? You get broke!
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. 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 If you know you're pregnant, then stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid bitch!
Back up.
Fuck, let me go! Let me go!
I don't know what to tell you.
Let me go!
Is she belted in?
No.
I'll take her in the car.
Might have to probably.
All right.
Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant. Oh, wait.
Man, F that seatbelt. What the hell? Come on, you don't gotta buckle every person in, especially if she's hostile. Nah. Come on, Sarge, you bugging.
No 44. If someone has a hop please.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go!
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
Unlock me.
Simple traffic stop.
That's
24 hours. 45. What's the location?
Angelo.
5810 Broad Street.
Yep. Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighing. I don't, you guys have the better.
Oh, I've read about those.
They don't work. They're not that effective, in my opinion.
We're going to tow that car.
Hey, just
Have you ever put this on before?
No, but I've read about them in policy.
So we have to hold her legs, get her legs in a cup so she can't move. We're gonna wrap this around her legs, tighten it, and whip it over to the car.
You do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
I don't want it, but I need to go. I don't want to be here.
hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now.
Shut the door. She's not kicking. It's fine.
I just don't want her to kick me.
Okay.
If she's not screaming now,
Just go ahead and shut this door.
Okay.
she's going now.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, perfect.
I just made a U-turn.
You didn't make a U-turn. You did not make a U-turn, ma'am.
I guess we did develop battery earlier. Show you got a straight.
Yeah, she got me a little bit. It's fine. Just
Well, she was actively
she
resisting.
literally she
That
told
was
me she was gonna beat me, and like she said she was gonna kick him.
yeah. So and right there's your intent. So
I made her laugh. I got like.
No, you did not. I saw you.
Right there.
I didn't know she was pregnant or not, so I didn't want to like put her face down with
Right.
with the tactic we learned. So
I want her out of here before family starts showing up.
Oh yeah.
I know I did it.
Yeah, you threatened to spit in an officer's face, and you follow resistance.
I'm gonna pull up next to him so people stop driving right here real quick.
Just give him room to get out. Just pull up right about there.
Do you require medical assistance? I take that as a no.
13 feet, J1G, Edinburgh.
Go.
Okay. Goodbye.
I was watching them. I just on this side. So
Okay, goodbye.
Wow, 2 years probation. You see? 2 years probation. Damn. That ain't. Guess it could have been worse. I guess you know what I'm saying. Whatever. Shit. Anyways, I think the officers. I'm gonna give him a 4. I'm gonna give him a 4. The reason why I'm gonna give him a 4 is because I think that first officer was pretty good, you know, especially with the abuse and all that stuff. Like not the abuse, but like when she had the slick comment, "You bored" and all that type of stuff. Nah. But when Sarge got there, this Sarge is bugging. He talking about, he could clearly see she's combative, and he's sitting here talking about, "Oh, you got the seatbelt on her?" Man, fuck that seatbelt, man. What the hell? What the hell? You know, like, what are you talking about, man? Forget that seatbelt, dog. What? Yeah, he started tripping. He started tripping. I ain't gonna lie. He started bugging, man. But anyway, y'all let me know. How well the officers did in the comment section, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.